Hello everyone. So for today's makeup I decided to do this look. This eye makeup look because I look ugly. So today's look I decided to do this eyeshadow with like orange, red, and a little bit of pink. So yeah, I decided to do this makeup because I thought it was really cute and I really like it.
I wear this eye makeup with a orange dress, and I also wear like, it wasn't like an orange lipstick, not orange but like kind of. But yeah, it looks so pretty. I think the only palette I used was the Huda Beauty palette. I think it's called Desert or something like that. But yeah, it's like a beautiful palette. It's kind of pricey, but it's so beautiful. Like I love it. So yeah, I just used that palette, and that's it. If you like the video, please give me some thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I haven't posted a video in a while, and I'm so sorry about that. I just been busy at college, since I have college and I have my kids and my family, so I didn't have time. But I'm gonna try to give me some time and do some videos for you guys, because I really love makeup and I want to make something from it. Like, I'm not a professional, which you guys can know because my makeup is not perfect, but I just wanna try. I wanna try more stuff, more looks, and yeah. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give me some thumbs up again, and thanks for watching.
So this is the palette that we're gonna be using, and as a first step, we're gonna apply the color mark with number 1 in our eyelid and also at the bottom of our eyebrow. The next step that we're gonna do is to apply the eyeshadow mark with number 2, which is like a peach color, in our crease. And we have to make sure that we have the colors are blended out. The next step that we need to do is to apply the eyeshadow number 3 with a smaller brush. And we just need to put it in our crease as well, but this time is gonna be a little bit lower than the second eyeshadow that we applied. So we just have to make sure that both colors are blended. A little more strong color, which is in this case it's kind of like a red color. To apply this color, we need to use a thin brush, and we have to make like a curve in our crease. To blend it out, we just need to use a bigger brush, and we just have to blend it out, moving our brush in like a curve. So we need to move our brush like doing a curve all over again in order to like have a very cute eyeshadow. So once we're done blending the colors out, what I did was to apply some concealer. So we need to apply some concealer, and for this we need to use a flat brush. So for this one, I just apply a little bit of concealer in my eyelid, like the beginning of it, and then I just use my brush to like blend it out and make it look like my eye shape. Our crease ready. What we need to do is to apply our glitter, and the first glitter that I'm going to use is the one marked with number 5. This one is a pink glitter, and I'm gonna put it in the middle of my eyelid. The next glitter that I will use is it's kind of white, and I'm gonna apply it on the beginning of the eyelid. To finish with my look, I'm just gonna put the same eyeshadow that I use for my crease. I'm gonna use it on my lower lash line, and I will apply also some mascara at the bottom of in my bottom lashes and some of my upper lashes. This will create a more intense look on your eyes, so that's why I do that. the last step, of course, is to put some highlighter in our cheeks to make our makeup so beautiful and flawless, like on point, you know. So yeah, we just apply some highlighter and we're almost ready. And this is our final look, using different lights, of course. And well, this is a picture of me using this makeup the first time that I created. I really hope you guys liked this video. I did it like with so much love for you guys. So thanks for watching.